all excited. They are so interested in making the sweet. Although no one is Christian from here, but still they are so much energetic to make the Christmas tree. And the materials which we have used is all made out of it. So yes.
It's very nice. This is the second time I'm coming. Last year also we came and we got a second prize. And this year also we are trying our level best. And all the students are very excited. And I'm really thankful to the Ravindra Bhavan who has organized this kind of events for children to encourage them. I'm from SYSN school, Sharma Mandir school. So myself and my students are very happy and very proud to be a part of this event. Thank you.
हे जे कॉम्पिटिशन करता पळय हे खरेंच वालोर तांकां रवींद्र भवनाक वालोर आनी कित्याक लागून की हे जे कॉम्पिटिशनाक भुरग्यांक लायक वास्को हे भोंवतणीचे जी स्कुलां आसा हे भुरग्यांक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा आपली क्रिएटिविटी दाखोवपाक आनी लास्ट इयर सुद्दां आमी पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले ह्या हितून आनी आमच्या स्कुलाक फर्स्ट प्रायज मेळ्ळें लास्ट इयर. सो आमी बरे उमेदीन सारकी खूब आमी तयारी केल्या आनी भुरग्यांनी ह्या फाटी बरें हार्डवर्क करून आमच्याच घरी केला आनी बाकीच्या स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी बरी क्रिसमस ट्री सजयल्या सगळ्यांनी. सो हांव रवींद्र भवनाक हांव धन्यवाद करता आनी अशीच ही जे स्टार मेकींग जे क्रिसमस ट्री मेकींग जे हें जे कॉम्पिटिशन आहा हें तेणी फुडें सुद्दां फ्युचरान तेणी चालूच दवरपाक जाय. थँक्यू. स्कुलाचें नांव नामिलो परिणा मेमोरियल गव्हर्मेंट हायस्कूल बायणा.
My school name is Lieutenant Naren A. Mayekar Government High School, Sada. So our students, 7 students have come from high school to participate for the tree-making competition. Actually, go to tell like so many years we have not participated because of some reason, some cultural program, sports and all. So this year we were little busy, so we made the children participate. So very good that you all conduct any this cultural event. So they have a knowledge of every religion. Because we make for Ganesh we do everything, for Eid also we do something. So first time Ravindra Bhavan, our school like participated and very happy and they came to know about the culture and the importance of the events. We making star making last time we have the students had gone to star making company of prize winner. Now the students are very happy and they have completed the time slot.